Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be tackling a common problem. My storm door sucks and it won't fit in the jamb anymore. This storm door is a little loose at the top. You can shake it and see that, but it's in really good shape. I think we can replace the trim behind it and reinstall the storm door. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. First, we're going to take off these little plastic trim guards that cover the screws so we can pull this storm door down. Next, we're going to disconnect the closer, pull off the arms, and remove these screws that are into the side of the brick mold. Make sure you save those screws. Now fit the storm door into the jamb and start pulling out the hinge screws. We're going to leave the top one in for last. That way we don't have to hold the door up. Now pull the door off, set it to the side. I think this brick mold is our problem. It's loose, it's wood, and it's just awful. Now let's pull the brick mold off. Sometimes it's caulked right here to the J channel. This one's obviously freed up. We're not going to need to cut the caulk. Now clip any nails and scrape off any excess caulk that you don't need. Alright, I got my pre-cut vinyl brick mold pack. This brick mold kit measures 36 inches, so I don't need to cut the width, but you may need to cut the height. I'm going to slide the brick mold up into where it's supposed to fit in, and I'm going to mark the bottom and cut it off. Secure it with 2.5-inch finishing nails. Now I'm using my old paint line as a guide, but we're going to make sure that our width is going to be correct before we nail it off. We definitely want this side to be level, as this is where our door is going to hinge. Right side, lay it up there and mark it. You can check for level on this side, but you're going to need to keep your reveal the same so it doesn't look crooked. Alright, brick mold's in. Let's get it caulked and painted. We'll be ready to put our storm door back up. Now that we got 2 coats of paint on, we're ready to put the door on. After you got the door swinging nice, you can put the slam style back on. Working good. Now let's screw it off. Shut. Working awesome. Give it a test. Door's not rubbing. Looking good. Now we fit our beaded track back in to cover the screws. And done. We just rocked this storm door. It wasn't shutting right. It was dragging the bottom. It was kind of jerky and just wasn't working for him. Now this homeowner does not have to replace the storm door, and it's looking awesome. So for Homender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.